Hello friends, I am Swapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we are going to draw a composition of balloon seller. So friends, at first we have to complete or we have to draw balloon seller's drawing. See, a man is selling balloon. Okay, and see how we'll draw his drawing. At first we have to complete his face properly. See the face. After that we can draw his body. So friends, see here I'm using black pen or black sketch pen, but if you don't use, it's better for you because here you can't erase the lines. Okay, so friends, see you can draw this one with pencil. Okay, after that if you want you can use pen or pencil. Okay, sometime also I used pencil. Okay, friends, see if you divide the page into 4 equal pieces, then we can draw the composition very clearly. Okay, and see now almost our first figure is completed, but see when you draw the composition at that time you have to follow the box. I mean where you have started his figure, his head, and where you have to complete his legs. Okay, this is a very important things. If you follow this process, then you can draw this composition also very easily. Okay, friends, see almost our first figure is completed. So friends, see now we'll draw the second figure. When you will draw the second figure, the girl, at that time also you have to follow the particular place. Okay, now we can draw her drawing with step by step. Just follow the steps. After completing her drawing, now we can draw her mom. Okay, now see when you will start her mom drawing, you should follow the step by step. Step by step, if you complete the drawing, then it will be easy to draw. Okay, so friends, see this is the composition. I mean when you draw any composition at that time you should follow this process. Okay, so friends, almost our figure composition is completed. Now we'll complete the background. Okay, and friends, I told so many times that if you need any help, please you can contact with us. And if you want to learn painting or drawing from me, so you can join our online class. Okay, and if you like this video, please don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your relatives. Okay, and so friends, see almost our drawing is completed, and if you want to make painting or color, you can, but here I will not show you the color. Just you have to complete the drawing with me, and if you want you can use any color, pastel color or watercolor. Okay friends, now bye friends.